again, Miss Miti Christiana. I'm the grade 3 teacher of Shekabwa Kagumi Academy. I take English studies. Today we'll be looking at comprehension passage. Remember I told you comprehension means understanding. So I'm going to be reading a passage for us to understand and comprehend. So that's what we're going to be doing now. The topic what we'll be taking now, we'll be reading, is the first day of school. What did I call it? First day of school. Now you don't have a record of first day of school because you are not new in this school. I believe you had your record, your history, the first day you came to this school. Now we have our keywords. It's essential for comprehension passage to have keywords. Why? Because these words are in the comprehension passage. And on your own you will learn how to spell. You will learn how to spell those words. I'm going to be pronouncing them, and I believe you should pronounce them with me. Keyword number 1, we have promoted. What did I call it? Promoted. Number 2, beautiful. Again, beautiful. Number 3, what do we have? Uniform. Again, uniform. Number 4, what do we have there? Holiday. Again, holiday. Number 5, what do we have? Anxious. Again, anxious. Number 6, what do we have there? Window. Window. Again, window. Number 7, what do we have? Friendly. 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 And number 8, what do we have there? Especially. Again, especially. I believe all those words on your own. You should write it on the page, then flip back. Check, write on a clean sheet. You should be able to spell. Maybe someone will be calling out for you and you'll be spelling. That way, you will build how you spell and how you write. Number 9, what do we have? Formal. Again, formal. Number 10, what do we have there? Shiny. Again, shiny means when something shines. Shiny. I'm going to be reading the comprehension passage from my book, from my textbook, Spectrum High Standard English for Primary 3. So that's what I'm going to be reading from. I know you don't have your textbook. All I want from you is your audience. Listen and listen well. Listen and listen well. I'm going to read it quietly and audibly so you pick what you're supposed to comprehend from this passage. The topic, like I said, is first day of school. Now reading, it says, it was the first day of school. Meryl would be in a new class. She had been promoted to primary 3. Meryl's mother had bought a new lunch box and a new school bag for her. Meryl is a girl. I didn't say for him, for her. Meryl also got a pencil box that is red. Meryl looked very beautiful in her new school uniform and her shiny, clean clothes. Clean shoes, I mean. She was very happy to go back to school after a long holiday. She was very anxious to meet a new teacher and the other children that would be in her class. When Meryl got to her new class, she stood by the window and peeped inside the classroom. She saw a tall, beautiful woman standing by the table. She was a new teacher. The tall, beautiful woman was a new teacher. The teacher invited Meryl into the classroom with a big smile on her face. Meryl went into the classroom. She was very happy to find her friends from her former class in the new class. There were 2 other new children in the class too. The new teacher introduced herself as Mrs. Nebo. Meryl's teacher is who? Mrs. Nebo. All the children were very happy. They spoke about the different things they did during the holidays, especially about the places they visited. Meryl was very happy that learning in the new class was going to be fun. She had got a friendly teacher, her old friends, and two new friends to play and learn with. That is all for the passage. I believe if you're watching me, it says you're using a phone or whether a computer. You can actually go back to repeat what I just read. So I'm not going to read it again because of time. Now, we have comprehension questions that we're supposed to answer. But it's going to go for homework because you are not in the classroom, you are at home. Now, the question is, what class was Meryl promoted to? If you flip back, go back to when I read it, you get your answer there. I give you options to choose from. A, Meryl was promoted to primary 2. B, is it primary 3? C, is it primary 4? D, is it primary 6? The number 2 question is, what did Maria's mother buy for her? A, was it a new lunch box and a new school bag? If you check the video back, you will get the answer there. The other option is a new storybook. Another option C is a new water bottle. Or D, is it a new food flask? Your answer is here. Pick one. You don't have 2 answers. Pick one. Then number 3 is outside. It's not from the passage. It's just for you to make sentence. Make a sentence with each of those words. A sentence means one sentence. So I expect you to write a sentence with beautiful, make a sentence with holiday, make a sentence with promote. So I believe this is self-explanatory. I told you, go back to the video, the starting of the video where I read the comprehension passage. You will get your answers here. Then making a sentence should be from your own discretion. Make your own sentence. So that's all for comprehension passage, first day of school. I'm still your teacher, Miss Mitty Christiana. Thank you very much for listening.